Until last year, Selfridges did 2 advent calendars, a luxury L'Oreal brands, that is Urban Decay, Victor Rolf and so on, and a selection box, a workshop advent calendar. Last year, though, they did away with the latter and instead had a beauty lovers selection box which looked like this and contained a whole Zoeva palette and cost just £70. This year, they've made yet another change. They've actually done away with the L'Oreal Advent Calendar as well, the high-end Advent Calendar, and have just the selection box, which costs £70. However, they do have a men's grooming version as well of the same box. Now, this one is worth more than £560 and contains just 17 products. So it's not quite an Advent Calendar unless, you start opening on December, after the first week of December or something. That way it goes right up to Advent. And the packaging looks like this. And I feel that this sort of packaging is actually nicer than Advent calendar packaging because, A, you don't have to store that. B, this is also equally repurposable, more repurposable, I feel. You can use this for travel. Thirdly, there are only so many advent calendars you can use, whereas this sort of thing you can use to store stuff, stash away, backups or, makeup brushes or something when it's not in use. So what does it contain? This is a very quick video. Off we go. Omorovicza Daily Vitamin C Serum, 30 mils, full-sized, £87. Stop already. The box costs £70. And this one, full-size product from Omorovicza, vitamin C, not the mist, mind you, nicely curated there, £87. Right there, £87, you only pay £70 for the whole box. By the way, it ships worldwide. So, second product, Dr. Sebagh Rose Divi Hydrating Mask, full-sized, 100 mils, costs £74. I think I might have a heart attack on camera. So, if so, remember, my will is on my desktop. Be that as it may, I can't believe this. I'm not going to believe this. £74, Dr. Sebagh full-sized, Omorovicza full-sized vitamin C serum, £87. You only pay £70. How are Selfridges doing this and, not running at a loss? Is Harrods listening? All those minis, all those 2 ml samples? Look at this. 17 products and they have about 9 or 10 full sizes, and Harrods, 25 products, had 4 full sizes. I can't get over this. Next product, also full sized, Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid, 118 mils, retails at £28. They have a 30 ml version of this as well, which retails at £10. Next, we have Stila's All Day Liquid Lip in the shade Bacca, which I think is a gorgeous fuchsia. My mom's going to love this shade. Next product, Caudalie Vinoperfect Brightening Essence. You get 50 mils, full size is 150 mils, which retails at £30. Not going to count this. Zoeva Contour Shade Brush retails at £10. Frank Body Lip Balm, full size, 15 mils, retails at £6.95. Nice mix of, very high-end and medium and brands in here. Dr. Jart Shake and Shot Hydro Mask. I love that they've included K-Beauty. 50 grams, full-sized, retails at £8. Like I said, very high-end brands, budget brands. Nice mix there. Next thing, Rodial Pink Diamond Mask. Now, a box of 8 of these retails for £85. You only get 1 in this advent calendar box, whatever you want to call it, selection. So we're not going to count this either. Peter Thomas Roth, 24 karat gold mask. This is a product that I have used. You must have seen this on Instagram. People masking and looking like King Midas, looking like they're wearing gold foil on their faces. That's a mask. And this one is full-sized at 150 mils, which retails at £68. Now, I'm not sure how much is being sent here. I believe it is not 150 mil packaging. I can't be sure about that. Anyway, I'm not going to count this, all right? If this is indeed full-sized, I will update that in the description box below, so you can add the £68 if you want. Dermalogica Multivitamin Power Firm. This is a lip and eye cream. I don't really love lip and eye creams. I end up using them on my lips. 15 mils, full-sized, £47.50. I think I'll count this as an eye cream at that price. You can't pay £47.50 for a lip balm. No, sir, no. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Pre-Shampoo, 40 mils is what you're getting. This retails at 70 mils, 500 mils, 1000 mils, 150 mils, and so on. Either way, I'm not counting it because this is just 40 mils. Eve Lom Brightening Cream, not the cleanser. Eve Lom Brightening Cream, nice. 50 mils is the full size and is what you're getting. Retails at £75. Oh my god, I can't get over this box, this selection, this curation. So many full sizes and so many high-end products. Now, personally, I can't use this cream because it contains shea butter. So if you're very acne prone and avoiding shea butter, keep that in mind. Next thing, Slip Scrunchies. £39. You are getting a pack of 6, which is full size and retails at £39. Right. Be still my beating heart and all that sort of thing, because you know I can't get over this curation. Pixi Glow Tonic to go, the pads. I don't think they're sending out a full-sized tub of 60 pads. You're probably getting about 30 or 20 or even 10 pads. So not counting this, 60 pads retail for £20. Coco and Eve hair mask, sample size. I believe this is about an ounce or so. Barely enough for the one use, not counting it. Sol de Janeiro, not the Boom Boom cream, but the hand cream. Full size is 50 mils and retails at £15. So, we do know that the Omorovicza Vitamin Serum, the Dr. Sebagh mask, the Dermalogica, the Eve Lom Brightening Cream, and the Slip Scrunchies, and the Paula's Choice are indeed full-sized products. So is the Zoeva Shade Brush and the Frank Body Lip Balm, as is also the Dr. Jart Shake and Shot Hydro Mask. So just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 full-size products. Mind you, the others could be full-sized as well, but I'm just going to count these 8 that I'm absolutely sure about. So just counting those 8 products as full-sized, we're getting £309.95. Just counting those 8 full-size products. A couple of these could also be full-sized. Now, if the Peter Thomas Roth is also full-sized, we're getting £375. And if the Dermalogica is also full-sized, and so is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, then we are getting £443.45. Now, I firmly believe that at least 10 of these are full-sized, including the Peter Thomas Roth. Otherwise, you can't get £560. Anyway, £70 you pay, and you're getting at least £309.95 worth full sizes alone, not counting 2 or 3 suspected full sizes. With those, that comes up to at least £443.45. Now, the total worth, according to Selfridges, is £563.40, which means there are more full sizes in here. I suspect that even the Stila all-day liquid lipstick is also full size, but don't quote me on this. Anyway, marvelous, huge, huge, huge bargain, fantabulously curated, absolutely fabulous deal. I actually like this more than most of the advent calendars that we've seen this year, pretty much all actually. Fabulous curation. And you know, this is actually a very exciting week for curations, because Caroline Hirons is launching a box or hamper or selection of her own where everything is full size this week as well. Just take my money already, all of you. I mean, I'm practically broke after all those advent calendars, but there is no earthly way I'm passing this one up. So I don't know what Caroline's going to launch. I doubt I will be doing a video on it though, because she says she's going to announce it on Wednesday morning and launch later in the day on Wednesday. So I doubt I'll get a video in that time, you know. So I will be updating you on whatever she says on my community page as well as on my Facebook page. So do stay tuned to those two if you haven't already. I'll link both in the description box below. So fabulous curation for those who are huge fans of skincare. Last year, as I said, they had a Zoeva palette. It was a bit more makeup centric. This year, apart from the Stila liquid lipstick, you know, one makeup brush, there isn't much by way of makeup in here. It's all skincare, but I'm happy with that. I love skincare. And I think Selfridges are cottoned on that trend, you know, people are liking skincare more. Very, very quickly, the men's set, the grooming set, is also priced at £70 and costs, and it is worth more than £315. It contains Patrick's Deluxe Travel Shampoo, Deluxe Conditioner, FAB, First Aid Beauty, Ultra Repair Cream, Omorovicza's Scalp Mask 200 ml, Dr. Sebagh Serum Repair, that's a hyaluronic acid, Hans de Fuca Sponge Wax, 56 grams. Doers of London Shave Cream 100 mils, American Crew Exfoliating Cleanser, Heath Hansard Dr. Jart the same shake and short firming mask, Barber Pro firming cleansing mask, Murdoch's London Seeds Salt Spray, Triumph Disaster Face Cleanser, Peter Thomas Roth Irish Moor Mud Mask 15 mils. Very quickly, I list all of this in the description box below. Not, I know I should have spent more time, but I'm in a tearing hurry. I'm running extremely late to a dental appointment. So this is all that I can manage at present. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon. And I'll also promise to do the next video a bit more, relaxed and not when I have a dental appointment pending. Bye, yeah.